Okay, so this time let's make a swan, but this time we're gonna put the swan on a hat. So we need a balloon here and fully inflated balloon. Okay, I'm gonna use this white balloon for our swan. So just inflate this like this. Okay, leaving a 3-inch allowance at the end. Now tie this up first. Make a loop, leaving a 6-inch area here for the neck of your swan. Just make a loop like this. And make an 8 figure exactly like this. Twist this. It should be even. Remember that. Twist this. And put this portion through here. So as you notice, this is the wings of our swan. And this is the neck. Here's the secret move to create a realistic swan here. Just put this tiny end like this and push it all the way. See what will happen. Observe this. See that? So obviously the neck of our swan is this, and this is the beak of our swan. See? Cutie, right? Now it's time to create the hat, because we will gonna put this one on your hat. So like we did a base hat like this. Put here so that you can put the swan here. Of course. Okay, so we need an inflated one here. So we have the base hat and your swan. And of course, you need to put this here through the body of our swan. Carefully, just put it. Just like that. And carefully tie this up like this. And there you have it, a basic hat with a swan. See? A basic hat with a swan. A swan on a hat. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.